Morning, guys. It's me again. I'm inviting you to another Draw Thumb Wrestling Federation episode. Tonight we're going to draw Mahi Mindi on tonight's special. Codenames. Codenamed Enthusiastic Environmentalist. Mahi Mindi possesses the ability to summon sea animal life on command. She has the ability to bring them out using special sonar abilities. She can summon any creature from the deepest depths of the ocean, like dolphins, seals, manatees, goldfish, sharks, jellyfish, anything. And there she is. That's how you draw Mahi Mindi.